Hey there. Welcome. Please subscribe and share for more videos. Here if want plump and luscious lips. Here's a quick guide for you. Step 1. Exfoliate. Get rid of dead skin cells by gently massaging a homemade lip scrub of sugar and honey onto your lips. Step 2. Hydrate. Keep your lips moisturized throughout the day with a nourishing lip balm or petroleum jelly. Step 3. Overline. Use a lip liner slightly darker than your natural lip color to outline just outside your lips for a fuller look. Step 4. Lip plumper. Try a lip plumping product with ingredients like cinnamon or peppermint to stimulate blood flow and achieve temporary plumpness. Step 5. Gloss it up. Apply a high shine lip gloss for an extra boost of volume and a fuller appearance. And there you have it. Plump lips made easy. Don't forget to subscribe.